guys, welcome back to my another video. I am doing a challenge video today and it's called Complete the Lyrics Challenge Bollywood Edition. And for that video I have with me a very dear friend, Vanya Lobo.
Hi guys.
Okay, so ready?
Yeah.
So I'll just explain you the challenge once before we start. Very simple, Bollywood songs. I get 5 songs and she gets 5 which she has chosen. We have to tell each other the lyrics of the song and the other person has to complete the lyrics. Just to make it a little more difficult, we decided not to sing the lyrics of the song. So we're just gonna read out the lyrics. Yeah. And the other person has to complete it. But just so it'll be easy, we added 2 lifelines. 5 songs but only 2 lifelines. Which means if either she or I use the lifeline, the other person will sing the lyrics for them. Only 2 lifelines, okay? Okay. And to make your viewers experience more better, of course there's a dare, there's a challenge, na? So we have decided every time somebody doesn't know the lyrics, they dip their face in atta.
Oh my goodness, she's
Okay. Okay. And if you can't guess the first song, then you have to sit with the atta on your face throughout the video.
Oh my
That's
goodness,
the
that's
best
scaring me, dude. Oh god. Oh, so nervous.
Okay? Ready with your songs?
Yeah,
You want to
okay.
go first or I should go first?
No. I'll go first.
Okay, cool. If I don't guess this, I'm gonna have the atta face.
Don't look.
Yeah, okay, sorry. Not looking.
जानू मेरी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान जानू मेरी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान
मैं तेरा तू मेरी जाने सारा हिंदुस्तान. Thank God.
Okay, one done.
Okay, now my turn. I have written it down. I'm old school. दुनिया में लोगों ने दिल अपने फिर थामे, आया हूँ लेकर मैं फिर कितने हंगामे.
Oh my god. No repeating, right?
दुनिया में लोगों ने दिल अपने फिर थामे, आया हूँ लेकर मैं फिर कितने हंगामे.
मुझको पहचान लो मैं हूँ डॉन.
Okay, got it, thank God. Yay! Round 1 over. Okay, fine. Since nobody got it, praise the Lord. You know, round number 2.
Okay. थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बौरा सी मस्त पवन की
थोड़ी सी धूप मेरी धक धक धक
Not
धक धक.
no.
Right? What is it? Wait, don't tell me. I know this. It's the same song.
Yeah.
Rante Basanti, no?
Yeah. The right song.
I need the lyrics shit. थोड़ी सी धूप मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की. थोड़ी सी second line.
थोड़ी सी खुशबू बौरा सी
मस्त वतन की थोड़ी सी. I know it. I don't know the word. सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू. What is that one word? No, not for one word. I'm not
One
going
word. Come on, you have to now. So you have.
Just waiting for me to dip my face.
Yes. Eagerly waiting.
थोड़ी सी खुशबू आई सी मस्त वतन की. Is it थोड़ी सी after that?
हाँ, थोड़ी सी is there.
Is it धूप?
Nope.
Is it? I am really bad at Hindi. Anyone has ever told you that? No, I. Khun?
Nope.
Shit. I
थोड़ी सी.
देखो तेरे धक धक after that. So I thought it's related to art. Everybody watching this whom I've told that I'm a Hindi film fanatic is gonna give me left and right. Okay, fine. I don't know. I keep on.
Are you serious?
I don't know the word, dude.
Think. थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की
थोड़ी सी खुशबू आई सी मस्त
पवन की
थोड़ी सी. I know it's dug सांसें. Something related to lungs or what?
I don't know.
थोड़ी सी. Okay, tell me.
थोड़ी थोड़ी सी धोंधने वाली धक धक धक.
What is that?
धोंधने वाली. There's the lyric, dude.
What is going on?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh my god. She's doing it. She's doing it. She's doing it. She's doing it. Full, huh? Full. Side
face. Is it there?
Yeah, it's there. Yay!
You wait.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Shit. Okay.
Okay. मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली.
मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, ऐसे वैसे बंदूक की गोली. मेरे तकदीर में हाँ. I don't know. Okay. Okay, I don't know. I can't even think of the word. I should not even sing this part.
Which is why I took the song. think, Vanya. Think you made me think, no?
For one word, now I'll get the whole lyric. मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली, ऐसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली. मेरे तकदीर, no, not तकदीर, dude. What the hell? Tehzeeb. All weird words, dude. I don't like this. Okay, I think I'm going to give up.
Think. It's a popular song.
Yeah, but that line is not popular, dude. What the hell?
क्या आप sure है?
Okay, चल.
Oh, should I say?
Yeah, say
Sure,
it.
not guessing?
Yeah.
मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन.
See, I got Tehzeeb.
You got that one word I was not getting.
Oh God. Okay.
Okay, ready, come on.
Okay, I'm doing it.
She's not so careful. Like, you dip your face in it.
Okay.
Hey, that's little. Go. You did it. That's the whole
I
line.
can't even see.
That's very little. Very
You don't know how much is there. It's not there only. You can see that's wrong.
Go for it. Think of it as like a birthday cake that's not. That's worse.
Birthday cake and eat, dude. This atta, how will I eat?
For all the times I said I like chapati, I take it back. Okay, round three.
Okay.
Both of us have on our face, so I don't feel bad now.
Okay.
Wait for you. Wait. Okay.
समय का ये पल तमसा गया है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है.
What?
समय का ये पल तमसा गया है और इस पल में कोई नहीं है.
What song is this? Okay, lifeline. Oh, shit.
समय का ये पल तमसा गया है.
No, the song.
No.
Very famous and old also.
Yes.
Yeah, no, old song. Is this that बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं?
No. Wait, is it?
I think it's बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं.
No.
No? Or is that other serial that used to come? No, they use this song.
It's not in the serial only.
Damn it! Now I know only those two lines. It's like I don't know the whole song.
And that happens. Okay.
But why am I thinking it's बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं then?
Somewhat, I guess, in the same
Same.
tone, yeah. बड़े अच्छे. No.
Why can't you do that? It's not बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. Why would you do that? I'm only singing that from that time.
Little difficulty level, you
In
know.
my head, it's only that now.
It's okay. You can. This is always an option, you know.
Yeah, I might have to consider it. I don't think I can do
You
that.
have to. You have to. Come on.
Okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can't. You can't do it. Go for it.
I feel bad, dude. Bad for myself. Okay, fine.
I'll tell you now what it is.
No, wait, let
Don't
me
wanna
do
know.
this.
Go fully. No, it's not
Wait,
there.
no.
No, it's not there. Seriously, fully. Like कहो.
Okay, that's not very
कुछ
nice.
भी ना कहो.
I did not think of that at all.
Oh,
I was stuck on Bada Chhota. I was like, this is Ram Kapoor only. I was only thinking of his face, dude.
No.
Him and Sakshi Talwar.
Yeah, they have that.
I was only thinking of that. I don't know why.
Okay. Oh my god, now you give me that look.
Fine. This is very easy. Very, very easy.
Let's see.
No, this is very easy. देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा.
देखा तुमको जब से बस
क्या told
देखा
is
तुमको यारा तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा. यूं नजरें ना फेरो तुम मेरे हो मेरे तुम कह दो ना you are my Sonia.
I was nice to you. Now you be nice to me.
Hey, I don't know. I already selected, so I don't know how nice to be.
Okay. Ready. Round number 4.
It's too tough to want.
She's like, don't my mom.
किसी ज़बान में
I am keeping all this.
Okay. किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं.
किसी ज़बान में भी
Yes.
वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूं.
मैं अगर कहूँ तुम साहसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं.
Both agree, both like this song. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, now it's my turn. Okay.
It's the last one, right?
No.
2 more?
This is, yeah, this. कभी ये हमसे लड़ता है कभी झगड़ता है.
That's it?
Wait. Forget that.
You forgot.
Slash it off. ये ऐसा है फिर भी अपना इसको माना.
What? That's it?
ये ऐसा है फिर भी अपना इसको माना. Forget you have lifelines. What? You have lifelines.
Oh, I have life.
Yeah, 2.
Why did you take any? Oh my god. I should have taken before doing that. What the hell? I forgot. Okay, say that again.
ये ऐसा है फिर भी अपना इसको माना.
Okay, what is this?
It's a very popular song.
ये ऐसा फिर भी. Okay, I think I'll go for a lifeline.
Okay. ये ऐसा है फिर भी अपना इसको माना.
ये लड़का है दीवाना दीवाना.
Full on fangirl. See, I told you it's very popular.
Yeah, you reminded me of the lifeline. That's why I took it. Otherwise,
you would have dipped your face. Okay.
yes.
Go.
It's
Final round, guys.
Woo!
We've made it. Okay, final round.
Next one will go on your forehead, no?
Mm.
Or nose? We'll
Next
for the
one full.
nose.
Next one full.
Oh no. Okay. तुझको जो पाया आहा तो जीना आया.
तुझको जो पाया तो जीना आया. अब ये लम्हा ठहर जाए थम जाए
बस जाए हम दोनों के दरमियान.
तुझको. Yeah, I did it. No, spoiler, nothing.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit. Okay, now I'm scared.
But
This
if
is
you
gonna
get
be-
full face.
Hey, dude, no. Okay.
Your cheek is also empty. Forehead.
Okay.
प्यार कर ले तू आज अंगूर की डॉटर से नसीहत भूल जाएगा तू एक क्वार्टर से. Very popular song.
Dabang, no? I know. Wait. Repeat.
प्यार कर ले तू आज अंगूर की डॉटर से नसीहत भूल जाएगा तू एक क्वार्टर से.
प्यार कर ले तू आज अंगूर की डॉटर से नसीहत भूल जाएगा तू एक क्वार्टर से.
Then. Go on.
No, not the whole face, dude. No, okay. Quarter.
It's anyways finale, like, so give them also something to enjoy.
No. नसीहत भूल जाएगा तू एक क्वार्टर मेरे फोटो को सीन
उसके
I know
पहले वाला
that, yeah, उसके पहले वाला I don't know.
Come on, man, you can do it. You can dip your face in the
No! I'm not gonna say I can think.
Why would I say that? I'm your
I know,
competitor.
you should be nice to me.
I'm very competitive.
I'm
Very
the guest. You need to treat me like a guest.
I have called you. You have to dip your face in the
That is so mean, first of all. I keep
I was
watching you from home.
You know, I was just like, Vanya, you know what, we're doing this challenge and I want you to dip your face.
Yeah, I'm like, what the hell? Okay,
Oh,
Let's
full
do
face,
it.
come on. Woo! Full face, this.
Fully inside?
Yeah.
No. I'll go one by one. I'll go one by one.
Okay, fine. More entertainment, guys.
Okay.
It's like bed of roses. She's going.
Okay, this done?
Oh, yes. Come on. You are increasing your agony by going one by one. I would have just done that.
Oh god, okay, wait. Next is nose. Oh my god, my tongue. Ah! Okay. I look like a joker.
That's the whole point.
I hate you.
I don't know how to be nice to you anymore. I'm
Okay,
too
the forehead I'm
comfortable.
not going full. My hair and all will go.
Simba, what Lion King feels. Okay. What are you putting it on?
I don't know. Okay,
That was
I don't even know how I look. How do I
much
look?
fun. Doesn't matter.
How do I... You have to see how I look, dude. Oh my god. Shit. God,
I
shit.
hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, what are they supposed to do? Tell them.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
And all of Vanya's friends, family members.
everyone.
Everybody watching this and my people. If you're just watching this video and haven't subscribed, I'll come there and get you.
Yes, you have to. You have
No,
to.
I won't.
तो चप्पल से मारूंगी वरना.
No,
Both
don't
of
say
you.
like that.
Okay.
They don't subscribe.
Oh shit.
My dad is like,
so sad.
please subscribe.
Please,
guys.
please do it.
Okay,